Hello everyone, Habib here. In this video I'm going to show you something. I'm using Unity Advertisement Legacy. I'm using the Unity Ads to show ads on my games. Recently we have Advertisement Legacy version 4.12.0, but this version, the new version, is causing problem to me. I cannot build my game. I cannot export it as APK or app bundle, so I decided to downgrade to version 4.4.2, which is I was usually using that version 4.4.2. So if you want to install Advertisement Legacy at the first time, you will not have the option to download which version. It will force you to download the latest version, which is 4.12.0. So how do you want to downgrade or to install version 4.4.2 instead of the latest version? So the way to downgrade, if you want to downgrade, for example, you are on right now, you have 4.12.0, you need to remove the Advertisement Legacy completely. Just go to Package Manager and remove this package completely, and then just close it and go to your project folder. You need to go to your project folder, go to the packages, then open this manifest.json file, edit the file, and you need to manually type this com.unity.ads, the version number. Type this version number and then save the file, go back to Unity editor, and it will install the 4.4.2 for you without going to Package Manager. It will automatically detect the changes on this manifest.json file, and it will install that version of Unity Ads. Okay, that's all. And if you are the way to install it, just type this line in your manifest.json file and you will have this version of Unity Ads if you don't want the latest version. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.